Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a question that's been popping up a lot in the financial community. Does Acorns pay you early? If you're a fan of investing small amounts regularly, Acorns might be a familiar name. It's a popular app that makes investing accessible, even for those with limited funds. But when it comes to getting your money, does Acorns have a reputation for prompt payments? Let's find out. Understanding Acorns' payment structure. Before we delve into early payments, let's get a clear picture of how Acorns' payment system works. Typically, Acorns invests your money on a monthly basis. So, if you contribute $100 per month, your investment will be made at the end of the month. Early payments, the myth debunked. Now, let's address the big question. Can you expect Acorns to pay you early? Unfortunately, the answer is generally no. Acorns is designed to invest your money on a monthly schedule. This means that you'll usually receive your returns or withdrawals at the end of the month, or according to the specific terms of your investment strategy. Factors affecting payment timing. While early payments aren't the norm, there are a few factors that might influence the timing of your funds. Market conditions. If the market experiences significant fluctuations, it could temporarily affect the processing of your transactions. Technical issues. Occasionally, technical glitches or system maintenance might cause delays in payments. Investment strategy. Some investment strategies, like those involving more complex financial instruments, might have slightly different payment schedules. The benefits of Acorns' monthly investment approach. Although early payments might not be a feature of Acorns, its monthly investment approach offers several advantages. Dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you are less likely to be influenced by short-term market fluctuations. Consistent growth. Over time, consistent investing can lead to significant growth, even with small contributions. Simplicity. Acorns' user-friendly interface makes investing accessible to everyone. Alternative options for early access to funds. If you're looking for an investment platform that offers more flexibility in terms of accessing your funds, there are alternative options available. Some platforms allow for daily or weekly withdrawals, giving you greater control over your money. However, these options might come with additional fees or limitations. Conclusion. So, does Acorns pay you early? The short answer is no. While Acorns is a great tool for long-term investing, it's important to understand its payment structure and consider alternative options if early access to funds is a priority for you. Remember, investing is a long-term game. By staying patient and focused on your financial goals, you can reap the rewards of consistent investing, regardless of the platform you choose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.